Hello everyone, Lily here, and welcome back to another Snapchat video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add a custom location on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. Let's go ahead and open up our Snapchat app over here. The very first thing I would do is press the camera icon to take a little photo, and then let's pretend you really need to add a custom location to this photo. You'll simply click on this bent piece of paper-like icon, and then you'll see the option to add a location at the top here. So this will show up with some recommendations. However, if you only want to add a custom location, you could always just search and add a location just like this. And now it shows a Suggest a Place button, and then you can click on just that. And now you can type in all of this info. You can type in your name, and then you will have to fill in your address, and then you must choose a category, which can be anything. This can be a hotel, a shopping mall, or anything else, and once you submit it, Snapchat will review it and approve it, allowing you to add that custom location. So there you have it. This is how you do it. You can suggest that Snapchat add a location and then fill in the rest of the details. I hope this was useful. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.